In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align text in Inkscape. By the end, you'll know exactly how to control the way your words sit inside a text box, whether you're building a clean label, a bold headline, or a tidy paragraph. Alignment is all about where the text lines up inside its own space, and getting it right makes your design look balanced and intentional. Start by opening Inkscape. Once it's up, you'll see your canvas and the toolbars across the top and sides. We're focusing on the text controls that appear in the top toolbar when the text tool is active. Select the text tool. The quickest way is to press the T key on your keyboard. You can also click the text icon, which looks like a capital A, in the toolbar. When the text tool is active, your cursor becomes an I-beam, letting you create or edit text. Next, select the text you want to align. If there's text already on your canvas, click directly on it to enter text editing. You'll see a blinking cursor inside the text. To align a specific portion, drag to highlight those words. If you want to align the entire block, you can simply click inside it without highlighting. Either way, make sure your cursor is inside the text so Inkscape knows which object you're adjusting. Now, look up at the top toolbar for the alignment buttons. You'll see options for Align Left, Align Center, Align Right, and Justify. Click Align Left to line text up flush to the left edge of its text area. This is great for readability and most body copy. Click Align Center to center your lines evenly, perfect for titles or labels you want to balance visually. Click Align Right to push the text to the right edge. This can help when aligning captions against a right margin. Click Justify to spread each line so it reaches both the left and right edges of the text area. Justified text works best with multi-line paragraphs where the spacing can distribute across the line. These buttons control how your words are arranged inside the text box itself. They don't move the text object around the page. They simply change where the lines sit within that object. If you click and don't see any change, confirm that the text tool is active and that your cursor is inside the text. Also note that justification becomes more noticeable once you have more than one line. That's it. With these alignment options, you can quickly fine-tune the look of your text and keep your designs clean and professional.